Welcome to my channel, Amazon Top Picks. Let me introduce Toshiba ML-EM09PA SS, small microwave oven with 6 auto menus. Key features of the Toshiba ML-EM09PA SS microwave. The Toshiba ML-EM09PA SS is a compact 0.9 QFT countertop microwave ideal for apartments and dorms, boasting a sleek stainless steel finish and 900W power output. It features a 10.6-inch removable turntable for easy cleaning, 6 auto menus for quick cooking of snacks, dinners, and beverages, and 11 power levels for precise control. Additional highlights include a mute function for quiet operation, child lock for safety, EKO mode for energy efficiency, LED cavity lighting for clear visibility, and easy defrost options by weight or time. Quick start buttons allow one-touch heating from 1 to 6 minutes, making it user-friendly for daily use. Pros: this model excels in space-saving design, fitting snugly in small kitchens while offering versatile presets that streamline reheating and defrosting. Users praise its quiet performance, intuitive controls, and reliable even heating for everyday tasks, providing excellent value at a budget price. The child lock and removable turntable enhance safety and maintenance. Cons: at 900W, it heats slower for larger portions compared to higher wattage models, and the presets may lack customization for advanced users. Some report dim button labels in low light, and a fiddly two-step child lock unlock. Defrosting and evenness are mediocre without inverter tech, potentially leading to uneven results. Overall, it's a solid, feature-packed choice for compact living, balancing convenience and affordability despite minor power limitations. Thanks for watching. If you would like to purchase the item, just click the link below. If you enjoy our channel, please subscribe now. You will not miss any future videos.